There are common practices of the Omo-Onile, which include selling of the same parcel of land to multiple buyers and encroaching on land acquired legitimately by others. In other cases, they make it difficult for the land buyers to take possession of their property, and after purchase, they still go ahead to demand illegal payment and threatening and attacking construction workers at building sites. These illegal activities increasingly pose a problem to urban development, peace, and security, and sometimes leads to heavy losses by local and foreign private investors. The law prescribes severe penalties with various prison terms for different offenses. In order to facilitate the implementation of the law, a special task force unit was created on the 26th of June 2016. It is known as the Lagos State Special Task Force of Land Grabbers. Its mandate includes curbing the activities of land grabbers, coordinating the efforts of various government agencies charged with enforcing the property protection law, and cooperating with security agencies in enforcing the law. All services provided by the task force are free, although petitioners do pay lawyers to write petitions on their behalf. In many cases, land conflicts have led to the destruction of lives and property and displacement of people, particularly the rural part of Lagos State, where they are popularly known as Ajagungbale. Given the challenges caused by the disruptive activities of violent Omo-Onile related gangs, the Lagos State government enacted the Lagos State Property Protection Law on August 15, which prohibited the forceful entry and illegal occupation of landed property and violent fraudulent conduct in relation to landed properties in the state. Who do you send the petition to? It will be addressed to the Honorable Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, with special attention to the coordinator, Lagos State Special Task Force on Land Grabbers. The petition should include all the details, facts, photocopies of the title document in relation to the land in question. An affidavit should be attached to the petition with a passport photograph. Details of the alleged encroacher should also be included in the petition, that is, their name, addresses, and mobile numbers. The task force process for addressing land conflict in Lagos State, it has 4 stages. The first is the alternative dispute resolution, ADR, which involves meeting the two parties to the land conflict and attempting to resolve the conflict based on the case evidence presented by both parties. However, if the initial ADR is not acceptable to either of the party, we will move to the second one, which is the process goes into the second phase involving on-site inspection to gather additional evidence. This is usually done in the company of law enforcement agencies, especially the police. And on the basis of the new evidence gathered through the inspection, the board of the task force reaches a decision. However, if the new decision is not acceptable to either of the parties again, a third stage is explored by the board, which involves taking the case to a court of law. Any judgment delivered is used to settle the land disputes pending appeal, while the fourth and final stage involves the enforcement of the court ruling by the relevant government agencies. You can get the email address and the phone number of this Lagos State agency on their website. The email is info@lagosstatemog.org, while the address is Lagos State Ministry of Justice, Alausa, Ikeja, Lagos, Nigeria. They are open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday to Friday. Please share your thoughts on your experience with Omo-Onile or any private developers that has denied you of your property you paid for. Thank you very much.